Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. I hope you've had a lovely holiday. I hope you have had lots of rest and are looking forward to coming back into school and getting on and learning some new things. But while you're at home, this week we're going to be doing a sort of mini project. We're not going to be focusing too much on maths and English. We will be setting you work on both Mathletics and Purple Mash for this. But our main sort of focus this week is basically a project. So our learning intention is, can I find facts about my home country? And we're going to be fact finding. We are going to be presenting these facts about our home country in videos. And we're also going to be producing a piece of artwork, sort of maybe whether it be on a famous building in your home country or just a picture that you've found that sums up your country. So that is going to be the sort of 3 main days of this online learning when it comes to this project.